What's up, members? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over the YouTube portfolio. We'll break it down for you. Year to date, we were up 27%. If you compare that to the S&P 500, which is up 18%, we are outperforming, which is excellent. Let's break down the stocks. Let's go through stocks that we are looking to add into 2026. You can see the top and bottom movers right now. That Meta buy was a big one. Google is a big gainer this year. Home Depot, Starbucks is lagging, and then you have Tesla, which was another big winner. We also have portfolio events coming up. We have earnings for Nike, ex-dividend dates on Google, UNH, and Meta. So let's get right into it. So this portfolio is really starting to gain some traction. You can look at here, the total gains and losses around $43,000. We're up 32% in this portfolio. The account total is 175K. Some of the big winners so far, 2025, you have Alibaba at 72% gains. FSPGX, my growth fund that I always buy, which is 50% of the portfolio, is up over $22,000, which is awesome. You have Google up $12,000, up 100%. We bought them at $160 per share. Home Depot, I've been adding more shares to them at this point. They're down 3%, collecting that dividend. Meta up 12%. Microsoft 16%. Nike and Starbucks are lagging in my portfolio, so I am thinking about what I'm going to do with those. And then Starbucks and Tesla, 107% gains, up 5K, and then UNH up 1111%. I just want to give you a little insight on why I keep choosing FSPGX, the large cap growth index fund, as my main holding. When you look at this growth fund over the composition of it, when you really break it down, it has most of the companies that you recognize, such as Nvidia at 13%, Apple at 11%, Microsoft at 11%. And you'll notice I do have Microsoft in this portfolio, as well as Tesla, Meta, Google, and Eli Lilly. So I'm increasing the size position on them. These are the top 10 companies in the world, in my opinion, and I want to get as much percentage allocation as I can towards them. And when you look at the fees and distributions for FSPGX, they are very low. You're only paying 35 cents per 1,000. So I'll post this video of FSPGX at the end if you want to get a more detailed breakdown of it. But this fund has served me well. One stock that I am tempted to add to the portfolio is Oracle stock. Looking at Oracle, it has sold off all the way from $345 down to $200 per share. Now, that pullback alone, a 185, was a 43% pullback. It is starting to find its footing, but we have earnings on Wednesday, so that is something that I'm going to be watching. I want to see, are we going to break out of this slump that it's been down over 40% on this. Oracle is holding a strong bounce off of $186 per share, but it all depends on this AI outlook and OpenAI. So let's see what happens with them. This is a stock that I am tempted to add to the portfolio, but I want to let it play out with earnings. And for instant access to videos like this, please click the join button where you can become a member and gain exclusive access. Also, if you want to get more involved and you want to directly chat with me, you can join the WAP right here as well. If you want to join the YouTube membership tab, you can click on this link as well. And we also have the free Discord for you guys if you're interested. So be sure, check out the channel, Trading Simplified. We're over 6,000 subscribers now. I appreciate you guys tuning in. You get access to the Sunday stock breakdown early, the pre-market analysis, and then other popular videos that I've made in the past with how to set up automatic investments with over 39,000 views. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.